Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Tuya Smart app on your phone. First, go to the App Store on your iPhone, search for Tuya Smart, then download and install the app. Once it's installed, open the app. If you are new, tap sign in and create an account using your email or phone number. If you already have an account, just log in. After logged in, you will see the home screen. There is where all your smart devices will appear. Now let's add a device. Tap on the plus sign in the top right corner. Choose the type of device you are adding, like a light, plug, camera or a switch. Next, make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. Tuya Smart works best with 2.4G Wi-Fi, not 5G Wi-Fi. Enter your Wi-Fi password when asked. Now follow the instruction on the screen. Most devices will blink or flash to show they are ready to connect. Wait a few seconds while the app connects to your device. Once connected, you can remember or rename the device and choose which room it's belong in. This helps you to stay organized. From the home screen, you can turn it on or off any device at any time. You can also adjust settings like brightness, color or power mode depending on the device. If you want to control the device with your voice, you can connect Tuya Smart to Alexa or Google Assistant from the app setting. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.